everybody, welcome back to another episode of 1 Minute PD. In today's episode, I want to teach you a little trick that has to do with Flipgrid. Let's call it the power of the next and the add more arrows. Flipgrid is such a powerful tool and it has one of the best, if not the best, editing camera around. But I want to teach you a trick that's really important with littles. When littles are recording videos, they often record and then they push pause and they record and they push pause and they do this over and over again. But what this does when you go to the next arrow is that it takes all of their segments and puts it into one long segment. By clicking this add more section, you can teach your littles to record, do whatever they need to do on the screen, pause and go next. They often record. And then they will have different segmented clips. By having different segmented clips, littles can easily delete a clip if there's a mistake rather than having to go and find the mistake in one long video.